Guys, there will be background noises, and if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out because, you know, you can hear my brother too. I got this package. Nobody ordered it. Nobody ordered anything. I just went around the house and asked. Can I see? No. Sorry. He's very loud. And so, yeah. So, let me go get some scissors and I'll see you guys in a second. So, like, my brother's over here. He's just looking. So, I got the scissors. I'm gonna cut this baby open. You can hear everybody in the house.
We'll be going to bed.
Oh, got a piece of tape off. That's good. Seriously, the TV's so loud. You can hear my mom. She's on the phone. That's funny. No, I'm not a lunchbox anymore. I quit being a lunchbox. Mommy, so maybe.
Yeah, you get free lunch.
Yeah, I know. For the little snacks.
Oh, you need some money for snacks?
Yeah, little snacks.
There's $3.
Thank you.
Ronnie, you say what you're wearing?
Your pants?
Yeah, in one leg. Oh, you ain't right.
You literally can't even see me. Okay. I'm almost got it. This is so hard. Look, I'm struggling. My brother's wearing my mom's pants like a dress. Got it. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna give you guys the first look. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna show my look. So the first thing I see is my invoice right here. I don't know why I'm gonna put on a piece of cardboard, but it says invoice. Rachel Royal Slimes. That's where I got the slimes from. Rachel's Royal Slimes. I'll go straight to the back because it says something. It says, don't contact me in any way, shape, or form. Please don't call me, text me, or come to my house at all because I have her address. Because if I don't like this, then I'm allowed to go to her house. And then $5 per container, all with containers. Glitter does not stick. The beads don't come out, the foam beads. It pokes, it's stretchy, it all stretches, and it all smells. Extras, 2 rings, Galaxy Slime. Slime should be on the slime side. Rock Slime, that should be on the slime side. A bag of lotion, and plus more. I paid $230 for this. So I never told you the slimes. So crazy. So slimes are Blue Raven slime, $30. Glitter slime, $28. Pink taffy slime, $35. Lemon pudding slime, $18. Cupcake with sprinkles, $50. Coal slime, $38. Oh, that's clear coal slime I ordered. Lavender slime, $58. Red berry slime, $23. Snowy Christmas slime, that's $63. Glitter foam. How much is that? $79. I probably paid more because, like, she said that not the real total is on there. They're so loud. It's not on there, so this is like the fake total. She'll text me the real total. So let's get right into it. And there might be a couple more. Like, this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go check it out, please. Money. So I'm gonna start with the extras. I'm going to take out there's a slime already out, so I'm just going to sit the slimes over there. Here's my pony. Here's my bag. Here's my lotion. It's Justin Bieber, The Key, Be With Me Body Wash Gel. So it's gel. It's shower gel. And then I got 3 Pokemon cards that have been drawn on. 3 Pokemon cards. And cut in half eraser that's been drawn on. My glitter slime. Huddy. Smells good. No, it doesn't. Never mind. That was my hand. It has lotion on it. Rock slime. This is kinetic rock. See? Kinetic rock. My dad is in the living room with my mom, and my brother is mad because of that. I used mixing bowl. Looks like it looks like the color of my blue raven slime that I ordered. And I haven't looked at this slime. I guess it's like because that's what color was on our website. Glittery girl eyeshadow that's already been used. A pretty ring. I didn't get 2. I got glitter, open talkies, some more slime that's already been out. This, a bag, more lip gloss that's been opened and used, some chapstick, some more putty, some more lip gloss that's been used, some more lip gloss that's been used, and then this toilet. Because she thinks I'm a piece of poop. Oh, no.
What's the matter? You want to know?
So now I'm going to get right into the slime. So,
Hey! Enough of that nonsense.
it's like, so, and it doesn't even transition. I'll keep the talkies, like, out so I can throw them away. So, let's get right into the slimes. I will put you down here so you guys can see. Like this. If you don't read the description, then what are you doing? Because it could be. Don't touch it. Sorry, the bag is taped. There's 2 already out, so I'm not even going to worry about those until I think I got to them. So, let me cut this open. I'll tell you if it's worth it or not worth it, or kind of. I'll tell you if it pokes, it smells, squishy, the foam beads don't fall out. And if they do, then I can make it a little bit stickier so they don't fall out. Like, because that's what you have to do. The first thing I see in here is my blue raven slime. I'll let you guys take a peek. These are the 2 slimes that came out. I was supposed to get all containers, but that's not a container. This is my blue raven slime when I open it. It looks... TV's so loud. And... Oh, sorry. And it's really sticky. It said it's not sticky. But it pokes, it pokes really good. It says it's supposed to make a bubble too on our website. They all make bubbles. Except for the Floam ones, because Floams don't make bubbles. Like, I was supposed to get a Christmas Floam. So, there better be a Christmas Floam on here. In here, because she's got bad reviews from a couple people. This is so sticky. I bet there's going to be a part 3 to this, because I got a bunch of slimes. It's ridiculous. No! I got some on the cardboard box. Can you see me? I think I'm just going to, put this in the container and be done with it, because I don't like this slime at all. It's too sticky. I'm going to have to add some more activator. And I have to go buy some activator because I ran out of it. They heard my little chatter a little bit. I got $3. I'm gonna put that $3 on my Google Play gift card. I don't know. I might take it to school. I don't know. And when I get home from school, I'll be posting every day. So come check me out. I'm gonna have to edit this because like this sucks. I'm not a good YouTuber. I just started. I don't know anything. I'm really bad at YouTube. The quality on this video, my camera's dead. Sometimes I will film on the phone, and the phone has as good as quality as our camera because I have an iPhone X. I'm staying at my friends. Kind of my friend's house. Next is glitter slime. Let's see. This looks like no, that's not. Here it is. They don't have labels on them, but I can see them. Oh. Ew, it's really hard and then really sticky. It's really sticky at the bottom and then really hard at the top. I don't understand. It's not stretchy. That one didn't stretch. The last one I had, well, it kind of did. It's lucky it pokes. Like, can it make a bubble? Probably not. Watch. Like, see, listen, I was doing that because I don't even want to play with this one. This one's way too sticky, like that last one. I didn't even know what was coming. Hold on. Sorry, this video will have to be like 20-something minutes. The last one was really short because my other tablet died. I have to film on my iPad because my iPad has good quality. I'm just going to put this one away. This one was sticky, so I'm going to give that maybe. This one, maybe. Kind of, you know. Kind of. Next one is pink taffy, which I don't see that in there. Oh, here it is. Pink taffy. There's water all in there. Moving on, lemon pudding. This one's not even in a bag. This is the only yellow one. This is mustard slime. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see it when I poke, but definitely different. Poke. See. The other two didn't smell. I smelled something off camera. Like, I paused it. No, I know I didn't. But you can smell them, like, from here. You guys scared me. You fell. I'm not even gonna say what it does. The next one is cupcake with sprinkles, which I paid $50 for this. See, the other ones, like, I'm not really worried about because I paid like 30 and under. Or 35 and under. But this one better be good. Okay, first of all, I ordered it this glitter stuck, for your information. And I ordered this with foam, so there better be a little bit foam in here. If not, then she probably is. I'm probably gonna have to contact her, or maybe she's just shipping it separately, so I can put it in there. But these are what's in there right now. Hold on. I'll show you if it's stretchy. Okay, definitely not that stretchy. Doesn't make a bubble. Since it's got these in it, I don't think it would. It made a little bubble, so that kind of counts. This one actually is in a container. I've got 2 without containers and 2 with containers. So I haven't got onto the other one without a container. But that's like the last. No, that's the second to last one. My finger hurts. So that one's I'll give that one a yes because it's pretty good. Coleslaw. My nose itches. I got something on my nose. Oh. It's a piece of fuzz or slime, whatever that was. This is my coleslaw. First, open it. Impressions. Either I'm gonna put like flown beads in this one and like make it a flown. This one definitely pokes. Ugh! Definitely stretches. Makes good bubbles. Let me see if I can make a bubble. Look, it pokes. I'm so sorry. Like.